Chapter 5, Comparison of ClickBank and Other Marketing Strategies. Synopsis. Although there is no doubt that ClickBank is the go-to site for affiliate marketers, it does not mean you should place all your digital eggs in one basket right away. Certainly, there is nothing wrong if you take the time to look for alternatives to ClickBank, even if it is only to compare the site to its competitors and weigh their respective pros and cons. By knowing what other sites can and can't offer compared to ClickBank, you will be better able to appreciate the features of ClickBank, what you can get from PayGear. Although PayGear is one of the newer kids in the block, it's making enough waves on the internet to grab most people's attention. One of its major advantages is its more affordable price range compared to ClickBank. Other advantages worth checking out are listed below. One account for all. With PayGear, clients no longer have to create separate accounts for their vendor and affiliate needs. All your merchant and affiliate needs can be managed from a single account and control panel, which in many ways can be quite the time saver for you. This particular feature also has a lot of potential, because in the future it may be expanded to allow your vendor and affiliate promotions to complement each other. Payment options. The keyword here is option. With PayGear, clients are given a variety of payment options to choose from, which presently includes credit card payments using your preferred processor, Google Checkout, or the ubiquitous PayPal. Having a lot of payment options available is always good for the business because it allows you to entertain more customers. Customization. Some may say a checkout page is a checkout page, but that's like comparing a 5-star hotel and a budget motel on the same scale, or comparing apples to oranges because they are both fruits. With PayGear, you can customize your checkout page and, if you do it right, your customized design can do wonders for your sales. Adding a personalized touch to your marketing strategy is always a good thing. It makes your customers feel more special and valued, which in return will encourage customer loyalty. Customized checkout pages also help build a more professional image and reputation for your business, which can attract more new customers. Coupon code integration. Coupons remain today as one of the most popular promotional strategies in most industries. If you feel having coupon codes to offer will help you in your marketing strategy, then you will be glad to know that PayGear enables clients to integrate coupon creation with their incredible one-click system. Automated affiliate payments. Computing commissions can be a headache, especially if you need to input figures manually. Even the smallest mistake can be a huge problem, as it might make your affiliates think you are not being honest with them. Thankfully, that won't be a problem with PayGear, which offers an option for automating affiliate commission cash-outs using the client's preferred payment program. You just have to configure percentage for commissions. You can choose up to 95% of sales, and the rest can be left to the site's automated system to take care of. There are a lot of other benefits to enjoy with this particular ClickBank alternative, but as mentioned earlier on, it's better to see all of them with your own two eyes. Please my channel, subscribe and press bell icon.